I made a video of how you can increase your boobs, increase your bust, and also firm your boobs. Like your boobs are not firm enough and you want to increase them, or your boobs are not big enough, you want to increase them, you can do that by using FUNEGREEK. A lot of people ask me, what is FUNEGREEK? How can you make FUNEGREEK oil? So I want to teach you how you can make FUNEGREEK oil. So in this container, I have FUNEGREEK inside here. So this is FUNEGREEK. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. You can get it from the market, all those malams that sell spices and natural spices, natural aroma. You can get FUNEGREEK anywhere. So FUNEGREEK contains phytoestrogen. It can also help to increase the estrogen levels in women. It can also help in also increasing breast or milk formulation. FUNEGREEK can actually help to increase your breast size, given that you do proper massages for it. So I already have a video that can teach you how you can use this FUNEGREEK oil to massage your boobs and your bust. Now, if you check out this video here on my YouTube, click the link on my bio. This video will teach you how you can use this FUNEGREEK oil to massage your boobs, make them bigger, make them fuller, and make them firmer. Now, this one will teach you how to also use FUNEGREEK oil to actually massage your bust. But in this video, I want to teach you how you can make this FUNEGREEK oil. Now, so this is FUNEGREEK here. What you're supposed to do is that you're going to take an oil, you're going to pour your oil and let it reach this level. So when you pour in your oil, you allow it sit for like 3 days. So after 3 days, you're going to strain it into a bottle that's going to be easier for you to pour in. So if you want to massage your boobs, you take it, then use it, and you're going to massage your boobs. Okay, now I already discussed about the benefit of using this, and it doesn't have any side effects except that you're going to be smelling a particular way. Some people, they also take the capsule. You're going to take, some people, they take FUNEGREEK capsules as well. Some people, they mix it with maca powder. Yes, so make sure you are eating well as well. Eat balanced diets, and using this is going to work. You're going to see results, trust me. Like and share this video. Follow me. So all you have to do is to put the oil to that particular level, and then you leave it for like 3 to 4 days. I'm so sorry, I think a call came in and my audio got distorted. After 3 or 4 days of immersing your FUNEGREEK oil into any essential oil of your choice, I like to use olive oil, then you go in with the massage. Like I said, I already have a video that teaches you how to massage your boobs area to make them firm again. So that video is on the link on the screen. So you see that there are various methods of massaging your boobs. There's upward sweep, there's anti-clockwise, clockwise. A lot of things is going to be learned on that video, and it's just 3 minutes. So click the link and watch that video. So you're going to see results. FUNEGREEK works a lot. A lot of people have testified to using FUNEGREEK oil to make their boobs stand again. You have to be consistent. You have to always massage your boobs for 10 minutes. This can work for your boobs. This can also work for your ass to also make it bigger as well. Thank you for watching. Please like